So if your application for monetization got rejected from Facebook, and to a lot of persons they can't even apply right now, and to some they actually were able to apply, and the application has been under review for a couple of months now, and sometimes I get messages from my comment section, and some people send me DM complaining about Facebook monetization. What is happening? I can't apply for my Facebook monetization. Mine has been in review for a couple of months, and somebody actually dropped a comment some days ago telling me Facebook monetization is cost, because this person doesn't really understand what is happening, like what is going on Facebook, what is going on. I can earn from my content on YouTube, maybe TikTok, but Facebook is giving me a lot of stress. What is happening? So yeah, in this video I'm going to be explaining a couple of things to you, like in a very simplified way, what is really happening and how this is going to benefit you as a content creator. So yeah, watch this video to the very end. All right, everyone, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So you have applied for Facebook monetization before now, and your application was rejected, and to a lot of persons right now, they've been able to build their page to know where you can now apply for whether in-stream ad, reels, bonus, or what have you. And you decided to click set up, and you couldn't click. To some persons, all they are saying is learn more. I've sent messages like that being sent to me that all I see is learn more. What is the problem? All right, so I'm going to be answering that question right now, that Facebook is actually changing. A lot of things will be rolling out in 2025, and currently Facebook is gradually phasing out what you're used to right now, which is apply meetup requirements for in-stream ads, you apply meetup requirements for reels, you apply meetup requirement for bonuses, you apply. Facebook is gradually rolling that out, and what they are bringing right now is content monetization beta. Yes, content monetization beta. What does this mean? This means right now, or let's say from 2025, though there are a lot of content creators right now that Facebook has started inviting to this particular program, and once you are invited, you can actually go ahead and apply. And yes, I think they are still testing it with a couple of content creators before they roll it out in 2025. So what Facebook is saying right now is once you meet up with the requirement and you apply for monetization, the application, if approved, gives you room to get monetized on all their monetization tools. So now, what are the monetization tools of Facebook? You have in-stream ads, you have reels, you have bonuses, you have stars, and you have subscriptions. So right now, if you apply for monetization on Facebook and you meet up with the requirement, you don't need to start applying for monetization for either in-stream ads. You meet up with the requirement, you apply for what's it called, bonuses, though those ones you are invited for reels and stars and every other one. Right now, you don't need all this live, maybe your live stream. If you go live, you have to meet up with 600,000 minutes. You don't need all of that anymore. Facebook is saying right now that once you get monetized or you apply for monetization and it is approved, you have been approved into all their monetization tools. And to me, I feel like this is good news. A lot of creators really will love this, and I can't wait for 2025 to actually try this out. But like I said, there are a couple of content creators who can actually do this right now. So if you go to their website, creators.facebook.com, you can see everything I just said right here. And if you're interested, Facebook will ask you, I'm interested. You put in your name, you put in your URL and your username. Once you log in, you are going to be seeing everything I just mentioned right now. So you can actually decide to try it out. Go to creators.facebook.com and see how this works out. So if your monetization was rejected, you can understand that this is why it was rejected, because their system is gradually moving to something else. So if you're still in the old system, don't worry yourself. So right now, if you have met up with the requirements for instruments and all of that, you just need to hold on till 2025, where once you just apply for monetization, your application moves for every of the monetization tool Facebook has. So you, in this case, you won't be having, oh, your country is not eligible for this, your country is eligible for that. So because there are some monetization tools that are eligible in certain countries, and there are others that are not eligible in certain countries. So you don't need to worry about all of this anymore. So for your text, talking about performance bonus, like how you make money through performance, your text, everything, your articles and all of that, your pictures, everything you post, you can make money from it without having to get, the requirement for bonuses. You understand what that means? A lot of persons don't understand this, because sometimes on Facebook I do see people saying some things like, oh, at the end of the day in Nigeria, Facebook just came to do what, and everybody's now quiet. No, that's not true. In fact, the process right now is being simplified and made easy for everyone. So yeah, on this channel I'm going to be updating you as time goes on what is really happening. So if at all Facebook invites you to this program, the content monetization beta, you can go ahead and click the application, or since you're invited, you can just go ahead and try it out and see what it looks like. I'm going to be doing a video on it once I'm invited to this, but because I'm getting a lot of messages, people getting worried about their content and all of that, I needed to put this video out so that you can understand that this is what is going on. So as time goes on, probably in 2025 or anytime I get invited for this, I'm going to put you through how to set this up, because same way I did, taught a lot of people how to set up Facebook monetization, basically your in-stream ads, I'm going to do the same thing. If we need to do something, learn something, or better still, I'll just explain to people how to go about it, because already I have monetized pages, so mine is going to be a smooth transition into this monetization beta. So but for you who hasn't gotten into the partnership program before now, you might have a lot of questions on how to go about this. Yes, trust me as your sure plug to actually put you through all of this. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, so that once this drops, I will be doing a video to explain everything to you. So for those who are worried, you just need to calm down right now, because this is what is going on. Facebook is gradually phasing out what you're used to. So if your application has been under review for a very long time, I want to believe after a while they are going to reject it, so that you can now go through this particular process of content monetization beta. Like, let that just stick in. Content monetization beta, that is what is going to be called right now. So if you're having just a profile, I would advise you to create a page and start building that page towards 2025, because every of your content is going to be monetized. You don't need to start applying separately for this, for that, for that. So if someone gives to you through your stars, you earn money on your stars. If you post your pictures or your articles, you make money from that. If you post reels, you earn money from that. If you post in-stream art, you earn money for any article or any content on your page is going to earn you money. You don't need to start applying separately. You have to meet up with the requirement for this. You have to meet up with the requirement for that. That is how Facebook is doing it right now. So this is the change coming to Facebook, and personally as a creator, I'm happy. I am super excited about this, because everything is right now simplified. It's easier for a lot of persons to actually get into the content monetization beta. So what are your thoughts about this particular thing that is rolling out by Facebook officially in 2025? Like I said, there are a lot of creators that are currently being invited into this, because Facebook is like trying to experiment what it is going to look like before 2025, where they are going to open it to everybody. But trust me, once they open this to everyone, I will do a video explaining a lot of things. Are their requirements going to change? Probably the same things they've been asking for is what they're still going to be asking for. I'm going to update you on that. So I hope I've been able to reply everyone who comes to Facebook, my DM, everywhere, to tell me what's going on, what is this, what is that, what is that. Yeah, this is the new update right now. Don't go ahead to set up. It's not going to work. No. If you're met up with the requirements, don't bother going ahead to set up, because it is not going to work. Just wait till 2025, when this officially rolls out to everybody, and you can go ahead to do it. Personally, I love this. I don't need to be in an eligible country for one thing. Once you are eligible for what, just go ahead to apply. Already Nigeria and a lot of African countries can apply for a couple of the monetization tools. Right now, Facebook is opening everything to everyone. So once I'm in, I'm in. I'm in. So I feel like this is interesting. So what are your thoughts about this? Please let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because you need more updates concerning Facebook, and I'm going to be dropping them to you as everything unfolds. Thank you so much for watching this video.